5 minus 3 times 4 divided by 8. Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve this maths correctly. A lot of people solve it wrongly. Some people will do 5 minus 3, which is equals to what? This will give us 2, alright? Times 4 divided by what? 8. Now, 2 times 4 is going to give us 8, alright? Divide by this 8, which is equals to what? 1. This answer is wrong because according to PEMDAS, we have to solve multiplication first, followed by division, before addition and subtraction. Alright? So now if we solve this correctly, let me write the question down again. So now 5 minus 3 times 4 divided by 8. So according to PEMDAS, we have to do multiplication first because we are solving this question from left to right. So whichever of the operator comes first, that is what you have to solve first. So we have to solve multiplication first, which is this. So let's bring our 5 down. 5 minus 3 times 4 is going to give us 12 divided by what? 8. Alright. So now PEMDAS says we should do division next. So division is higher than prior subtraction. So we have to do the division before the subtraction. So now we can make this 12 divided by 8 to be in a fraction form like this. 12 over 8, bring down your minus sign and make this 5 a fraction also, 5 over 1. Alright? Now, let's use our butterfly method to solve this, which is 12. Then we'll draw this other butterfly wing. Yes. So let's draw the antenna, the eyes. Let's draw the body. This one is beautiful, right? So 1 times 12 is give us 12. 5 times 8 is going to give us what? 40, alright? Now, so we have 40 minus 12. 40 minus 12 will give us what? 28 over what? 8. So we have an answer ready. So and this answer is a improper fraction. So let's try see if we can change it to a mixed fraction. 28 will go 8, sorry. This 8 will go into this 28. How many times? 28 divided by 8 is going to give us 3. There's going to be a remainder. The remainder will be 4, right? 4 over 8. That's the mixed fraction answer. So let's try and see if we can make a decimal answer out of this question. So let's draw our decimal line. Okay, I'll take it this way. Let's see, put it here. Draw your symbol. Draw your long division line like this. We'll put our 28 inside and the divisor, which is the 8, outside. 28 divided by 8. Yes, 28 divided by 8 is going to give us 3. Alright, 3 times 8 is going to give us 24. Okay, so now we have to subtract. We'll subtract here. 28 minus 24 is going to give us 4. Now 8 cannot divide 4, so we have to put our point here and add 0 to this 4 to make it 40. Alright, now 8 will go into 40 how many times? 8 is going to go into 40 how many times? 5 times. Okay, 5 times 8 will give us 40. So if we subtract, we'll get 0. Now we have arrived at our decimal answer. So we have three answers for this question. So the first answer is the improper fraction, which is 28 over 8. The second answer is the mixed fraction, which is 3 whole number 4 over 8. And the third answer is the decimal answer, which is 3.5. Guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment.